One of the true mysteries in the Torah is the designation of certain foodstuffs as kosher and others non-kosher. And it's very difficult to find a rationale for these. Quite the contrary, there is no overt rationale. Yet we know that keeping kosher has a number of very significant effects. The first one is, amongst the 70 different soul systems of the world, of which Jewish is but one, the way that each soul system is able to elevate the world is its own particular pathway. The Jewish pathway includes our capacity to elevate the spiritual energy inherent in animals and vegetation. But our soul system is able to elevate only the ones enumerated in the Torah itself, which forms the basis of keeping kosher. In other words, keeping kosher is not just an ancient ritual for health. Indeed, Maimonides, the philosopher and the physician, the great codifier within Jewish law, says that pig meat is very healthy. So health is not the basis of Kashrut, nor are some of the other rather strange terms that are coined around Kashrut. The truth is, keeping kosher elevates the world through your soul system. So keep kosher.